Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll go over the latest updates to the BoldDesk ticketing software. We've introduced advanced features to boost the capabilities and use cases of BoldDesk. I'll show you the new features categorized by module. First, let's look at the updates in the ticketing module. Support has been provided to preview image attachments in ticket messages. Now, images will directly open as a preview in the browser, eliminating the need to download the file for viewing. Additionally, we've provided an indication for when a work log is edited. This indication will be shown for edited work logs, and details of the edits can be found in the tooltip. In the integration module, users can now integrate BoldDesk with the Slack app. This integration allows you to receive instant notifications within chats and channels whenever a ticket is generated or edited, a reply is added, or other events occur on the BoldDesk site, according to how you set it up. Slack integration has the following features. You can receive notifications in Slack channels. Support agents can receive notifications for ticket events. You can customize the notifications sent to chats and channels based on criteria such as the brand, category, and status. The integration with Microsoft Teams has also been improved to include conversation thread messages linked to the main ticket message whenever the ticket is updated, replied to, or a note is added. Now, let's see the feature updates in the Reports module. Hyperlink support has been incorporated for specific fields and files exported from the Reports module. These fields include the ticket ID, update ID, requester, agent, contact group, and activity ID. Work log reports have been updated to include information from activity module work logs. You can also choose work logs from both modules collectively, or from individual modules selectively. The table view in the Reports module now supports all types of custom fields. Previously, certain custom field types were not included, but now users can select all custom fields for all data types in the dashboard widget's underlying data. In the Knowledge Base module, we've introduced new bulk features, bulk restore and bulk permanent delete, for knowledge base articles. This will significantly reduce the time and effort you need to spend when restoring or permanently deleting a large number of articles. Finally, let's look at the updates made to the BoldDesk mobile app. An activity module is now included in the mobile app. This module was previously exclusive to the web version of the Agent portal. Agents can now create, monitor, and handle their activities anywhere, and receive instant updates on them right from their mobile device. An improvement has also been made to user interface for the Switch account feature that provides a more intuitive and visually pleasing experience. In summary, in this video, I showed you the new features and enhancements to the BoldDesk software. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.